In this video, you're going to see an easy chocolate cake filling recipe. It's a ganache filling for cakes, and it starts with 1 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan. Gently heat the heavy cream while stirring until hot enough to melt 1 cup of dark chocolate. I'm using a bittersweet chocolate here. Stir until smooth. This easy chocolate cake filling recipe is in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, Step by Step. Pour the hot chocolate and cream mixture into a bowl. You can also add 1 teaspoon of almond or other flavoring, just if you want. The chocolate goes into the fridge to firm up until it reaches this stage. This is a 6-inch chocolate stout cake, which Scott and I, my husband and I, are going to enjoy on our birthdays. You can see Scott and I making this cake in the video right here. Chocolate ganache is useful in so many ways. The links to the various tutorials are below and in the end screens for you. Ask me questions in the comments below if you have any, and I'll be glad to answer you back. At this stage, you may want to refrigerate or even freeze your cake to get it nice and firm before frosting it. Here's the cake all ready for the frosting. Click the links at the end of the video to watch us bake this amazing cake, and if you want to see how to frost a cake with buttercream, then click the link right here.